What's guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and bell I will telling à bout de 1966 Dutch 2500 coins, bearing the portrait of Queen Juliana and the inscription, Koningin der Nederlanden, Queen of the Netherlands, is more than just a small silver-colored piece of currency. It represents a significant chapter in Dutch numismatic history, intertwined with post-war economic recovery, monarchic continuity, and European coinage evolution. Minted during a time of political stability and economic prosperity in the Netherlands, this coin reflects the nation's identity, heritage, and pride. This 3000-word exploration delve into the background, design, cultural relevance, and enduring legacy of the 1966 2500 coin from the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Historical background of the Netherlands. In 1966, in the mid-20th century, the Netherlands was navigating a period of transformation. After the devastation of World War II, the Dutch government had worked tirelessly to rebuild its infrastructure, economy, and institutions. By the 1960s, the country had become one of the most stable and prosperous nations in Western Europe. Queen Juliana, who reigned from 1948 to 1980, played a crucial role in this period. Known for her modesty and empathy, Juliana was a beloved monarch who symbolized continuity and compassion. The coin bearing her likeness reflected a deep respect for her leadership during a time of reconstruction and modernization. In 1966, the Netherlands was also witnessing important cultural and political development. The rise of youth counterculture, liberalization of social norms, and debate about monarchy versus democracy were making headlines. Nevertheless, Queen Juliana remained a figure of national unity, and her image on the 2500 coin was a testament to her enduring popularity. The Dutch 2500 coin had existed in various forms since the 19th century, but the post-war era brought a renewed emphasis on consistency and modernity in design. The 1966 version was minted by the Koninklijk Netherlands Mint, Royal Dutch Mint, which had a long history dating back to the early 1800s. The decision to issue 2500 coins a part of the standard coinage system was driven by economic practicality. PRE euro era, the Dutch guilder was divided into 500. The 2500 coin, equivalent to a quarter guilder, played a vital role in daily transactions, much like the US quarter dollar. In 1966, the coin was produced using nickel, replacing earlier versions made with silver. This shift reflected global trends in coin production as many countries transitioned from precious metals to more economical materials due to rising metal prices. The 1966 Dutch 2500 coin featured a simple yet elegant design. Its key technical details: obverse, portrait of Queen Juliana, facing right, with the inscription, Juliana Koningin der Nederlanden, encircling the edge. A crown number, 25, in large numerals representing the denomination, flanked by a laurel sprig and the date, 1966, at the bottom. Diameter, approximately 22 mm weight, around 3.6 grams metal composition. Nickel edge, smooth minting authority. Koninklijk Netherlands Mint, Utrecht design was both functional and symbolic. Easy to recognize in and out pocket, and emblematic of national sovereignty under the Dutch monarchy. Of Queen Juliana on the obverse of the coin was based on official state-approved engravings and designed to exude dignity, calmness, and wisdom. More ornate or regal depiction used in some monarchy, Juliana's likeness was intentionally reserved and humanized, fitting her reputation for humility and service. Featured the number, 25, under a royal crown, reinforcing the coin's authority under the constitutional monarchy. The laurel, historically a symbol of victory and peace, subtly underscored the post-war triumph of stability and harmony in the Netherlands. The urge of regal symbolism with utilitarian clarity made the 2500 coin an object of both monetary and cultural value. The 2500 coin was a cornerstone of everyday commerce in the Netherlands. Only used for small purchases such as snacks, newspapers, bus fares, and public telephone. Its value was small enough to be widely used, yet substantial enough to be saved in coin jar or purse. In 1966, the coin had become deeply embedded in the fabric of Dutch economic life. Shopkeepers, children, commuters, and tourists alike handled it daily. Simple denomination, the 2500 coin played a pivotal role in facilitating transactions and making the Dutch economy accessible to all its size and weight made it convenient for vending machine and coin-operated devices, which were becoming increasingly popular in the 1960s. Whose portrait adorned the 2500 coin from the Kingdom of the Netherlands, dated 1966, is a silver-toned piece that bears the regal image of Queen Juliana. It holds not just monetary value, but a deep connection to the Netherlands, royal heritage and post-war history. This coin is often referred to as a kwartje, little quarter, in Dutch and is part of a long-standing Dutch coinage tradition. Despite its small denomination, the 1966 2500 coin has gained interest among collectors for its design, quality, and Royal Représentation. De 1966 Netherlands 2500 coins is around, Cupro nickel coin with the following spécifications. Diameter. 22 mm weight. 3.6 grams composition. 75% copper. 25% nickel edge. Smooth plain chip. Round obverse design. Portrait of Queen Juliana facing right legend. Juliana Koningindrndrndrlandn. Juliana, Queen of the Netherlands reverse design. The crown Dutch coat of arms with the denomination 2500 and the year 1966. Beneath the obverse is an elegant and refined portrayal of Queen Juliana. Her is styled modestly, reflecting her practical and motherly image among the Dutch people. The reverse is symmetrical and regal, featuring the Dutch coat of arms surmounted by a royal crown, flanked by the numbers 19 and 66, indicating the year of minting. Queen Juliana reigned a monarch of the Netherlands from 1948 to 1980. Compassion, and strong sense of duty. Coin minted during her reign often featured her portrait and were part of the daily lives of the Dutch population. The 1966 coin was minted at a time of economic growth and stability in the Netherlands. Post-World War, the reconstruction had given way to prosperity in the 1960s, and the Dutch guilder currency system, of which this coin was a part, remained strong and reliable. This 2500 coin was a commonly used denomination in daily transactions such as buying a loaf of bread, paying for public transportation, or making small purchases at market. It was equivalent to a quarter of a guilder florin. The main unit of currency before the European minting and circulation de coin was struck at the Royal Dutch Mint in Utrecht, which has been the official mint of the Netherlands for centuries. Millions of these coins were produced in 1966 to serve the growing needs of the Dutch economy. Because it was a widely circulated coin, most examples available today show some degree of wear. However, coins uncirculated or proof condition are far more desirable and valuable to collectors. The collectible value of the 1966 Netherlands 2500 coin depends on several factors. Circulated coin with wear may be worth around $0.50 to $1 américain. Circulated mint state coin can reach $5 to $10 américain or more depending on luster and clarity. Proof version, if any, exist are rare and may command higher prices. 1966 edition is not particularly rare due to high mintage numbers. However, coin with errors or unusual dies can be more valuable. Collectors of Dutch royal memorabilia, or coinage of Queen Juliana, often seek out this coin. Demand may also be regional, particularly strong in the Netherlands and among Dutch heritage collectors. How earlier Dutch coins were minted in silver. The 1966 2500 piece is made of base metal cupro nickel tus. It has no intrinsic metal value from precious count. Beyond its physical worth, the 2500 coin serve as a cultural artifact. It embodies the Netherlands' transition from the austerity of the 1940s and 50s to the modernity of the late 20th century. Juliana herself symbolized continuity, grace, and national unity. This coin represents a generation's memory of stable coinage before the euro era. It was a fixture in the pocket and purse of millions of Dutch citizens. Children used it to buy candy, and adults used it in public transport machine or payphone. Portrait of Juliana reflect a time before the monarchy became more symbolic under Queen Beatrix and now King Willem Alexander. Juliana was the last Dutch monarch whose effigy appeared on this specific 2500 design before it was replaced in the 1980s. Replacement and modern relevance. The Dutch guilder, including the 2500 coin, CA is said to be legal tender after the Netherlands adopted the euro on January 1, 2002. For this date, coin like the 1966 quartz could be exchanged at banks for euro, but the deadline for such exchange has now passed. While it no longer holds any legal spending power, its nostalgic and historical value has only grown. Numismatists and casual collectors alike, it is a reminder of a proud national heritage. Tip for collectors: if you are interested in collecting the 1966 Netherlands 2500 coin, consider the following. Look for coin with minima.